For those who know that precision isn't just a goal, it's a necessity. For over 140 years, Ahearn Soper has been the trusted partner in advanced identification, tracking, and data collection solutions. The difference is understanding. The difference is Ahearn Soper. In distribution, we deliver end-to-end solutions that streamline inventory management and enhance supply chain visibility. From barcode scanners to RFID technology, we transform data collection into actionable intelligence. For manufacturing leaders, we implement systems that drive efficiency and quality control across production floors. Our solutions ensure perfect traceability from raw materials to finished products. In healthcare environments, patient safety is paramount. Our systems help reduce errors, manage assets, and ensure compliance. Because when lives are at stake, there's no room for error. For transportation and logistics professionals, we provide visibility into complex supply chains across borders and time zones, maximizing efficiency while minimizing delays. That's the Ahearn Soper difference. In food and beverage production, our solutions ensure product safety and regulatory compliance while optimizing operations. Complete traceability from farm to table, giving consumers the confidence they deserve. For field service operations, we deliver mobile solutions that connect technicians with real-time data anywhere they work, putting critical information in the hands of those who need it most. What sets us apart isn't just our technology, it's our people. Dedicated experts committed to your success. Custom solutions, exceptional service, unparalleled expertise. For those who know the difference between good and exceptional, the difference is Ahearn Soper.